Hello, my sweet little artists! Today we are going to draw and color Bluey and Bingo together. First of all, let's start with black to draw the main lines. First, we draw its head and arms, then two little eyebrows, and its little nose, its mouth, and two big eyes, its ears, its teeth and tongue, and now its body, its legs. Wow, amazing! Don't forget to color the other hand too. And its fluffy tail. Well done! We start with its nose again, mouth, teeth, tongue, eyes and eyebrows, hands and arms, two little ears, fluffy tail, and legs. Now, let's color them. Don't forget to draw some balloons too. Yes. Now we can color our beautiful drawing. Let's start with Bluey. Cute and beautiful Bluey. We use black for its nose and eyes. For these parts, we are going to use our brown color. That's right, brown. Take it and color with me. Inside its ears, they are brown, and this part is brown too. And for its eyebrows, belly, arms, and legs, we'll use light blue. That's right, light blue. Here we go. Amazing! And then, for its body and some specific parts, we are going to use our dark blue color. That's right, dark blue. So, we've got black, brown, light blue, and and dark blue. Amazing! And now, for these parts, we are going to use our black color. Yes, black. Great job! We did it! Awesome job! We are almost done! Our kind and beautiful Bluey looks amazing! Now it's Bingo's turn. First, let's use cream for her belly, eyebrows, and nose. Yes, a creamy color. Our next color is going to be brown. That's right, brown. We are coloring its arms, body, and legs. And now, for the remaining parts of its body, we'll use dark brown. That's right, dark brown. We've got a creamy color, light brown, and dark brown. We use red for its tongue. And then pink for its mouth. Great job! Don't forget to color its nose too. Now, exciting part is here. Let's go to color the colorful balloons. That's right. My first balloon is yellow. Next one is green. What color should we use for the last balloon? What do you think? Pink! Wow! Pink is a good color. It looks so beautiful. If you want, you can add some shadows. That's right, with your gray color. See you soon!